Hey!
Watch this thing and watch. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it do this. Get me? Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh.
What's up guys, welcome back to our channel guys. So as you guys can see, we are on the beach. Yes guys, today is a family beach day. Raymion is out in the water, full enjoying himself. Raymion here. Raymion say I'm not going on no water.
No. Not going on no water guys, no water. Guess why? Every day I'm up on the beach, you know, so today I just my relaxed day, no water, you know. Yeah.
Tell him to get up and come going on the water, people, but he's not going on the water. When he feel like.
Yeah, so I'm just up on the beach, I go and relax. Yeah, no.
Relax too. Let me make the drop.
But nobody not top of it. It's supposed to pop it on the heavy self.
Are you going to pop it on?
Yeah, so I'm not going to no water, I go just there, just go and relax.
Guys,
yeah.
Me are going in the water. Sorry for him, boy, I'm not going in the water. I am going in the water.
What? Me in the water every day. So one day I just come, I just feel like it be dry. I just want to stay dry today.
So guys, Raymion in the water having a blast. Raymion, I go be cameraman, boy, I'm not going in the water.
They never be camera, my foot I go get wet.
Then your foot I go get wet?
No.
Yeah, we see.
Yeah, so just chillax right here with me guys.
No.
Yeah.
Come on,
all day.
Come,
yeah.
Nobody wanna chillax with you.
Yeah man, so no water for me guys.
Come.
Alright. One day we just want a little day for just relax. Me just need this day enough for just relax and just calm my brain. Because I work every day and I have me in the water every day, so I just want to stay one day dry, the more calm if I go to take video. We'll get wet. So guys, I'm just not going into the water. Yeah. Alright, just watch what I'm doing. Alright? Yeah man. Alright, so we're meeting David and Lee. So hey Lee.
Hello.
Yeah man, so that's Lee right here.
That's Raymion, God mommy.
Yeah, so
that's what you should say.
yeah. Alright, so Raymion is lucky to have two God mommy. And
I'm one of them.
Yeah, she's one of them. And yeah.
Godfather.
Yeah.
Godfather.
Yeah.
Godfather.
The Godfather.
Yeah. And there's a lucky guy right there. Hey Raymion. Yeah, just drinking his juice.
Playing with his juice, I mean.
Yeah. Yeah man. So it's always a pleasure meeting up with these guys every year when they come to Jamaica. Yeah.
You got it right on me.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Alright, yeah man.
Yeah, you can take it home.
Hey Raymion, what you doing? Not saying a word.
Raymion.
Concentrating.
Hey David.
Oh my God, I got my shirt off.
Hey, that's bad.
You want to see a man jump?
Yeah.
Gia? Gia? Hey.
No.
Hey, if I took my shirt off, yeah, a lot of girls will be
Put
screaming.
the camera over here for just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it over there.
Watch. He does this dance usually.
It's cold.
Cold.
It's not that cold. Just when you thought you couldn't get any whiter, you can.
Hey, just imagine.
If he's standing up, he does this dance.
Yeah, just imagine David taking a shower.
Very hot.
Yeah, it's like don't want the water to touch you. So Raymion, you ready to go into the water?
Are you ready, Raymi?
Hmm?
The water get cool.
Alright, watch the new coolie them guys. Watch them. They don't know nothing about water. Huh? Make me have to get wet. I wasn't planning getting wet today.
You have to come in the water.
Huh. Hey Raymion!
You gotta run from him.
Raymion! Hey!
Watch this, Damien. Watch. Watch. Watch it. Watch it.
Get me?
Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh yeah, you can see it in some outside. You got sand in your eye?
Yes, salt water.
Salt water. Oh, you're gonna splash now. Okay. Okay. I see how it is. Oh. I see how it is. He's doing it to himself. Yeah, he will.
Here you go, crazy Raymion. Raymion I come on beach and can't swim. Jump in the river and she can't swim.
Can't swim, people. He thinks to my and he can't even.
Wonder if Raymion thinks I may have time for this. Hmm?
He hangs like sideways on it. You gotta scream a little bit.
Hey! Hey Raymion! Hey! Wake him up! Wake him up! Wait!
Gotta splash him back.
Splash him back.
Splash him back.
Don't take that.
Get him back.
Don't take that.
Oh.
It's a mean daddy. That's a mean daddy.
Yeah, get used to it, Raymion. Get used to it.
That's what you do when you take the class.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, you have to come here.
It's warm. Once you're in it.
I tell myself I'm not coming down the water. I'm still have to get wet.
Yeah.
Can't bother doing something, you know.
I'm floating, Lee. You're not floating. You're not floating now.
I said we float. The backside.
I'm walking at my end.
Look how Raymion swim. Huh?
Everybody knows that black people can't swim.
So am I white?
Yeah? Alright, yes.
Yeah?
He's imitating when I do it with my mouth. Watch it. Watch it.
Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash.
Raymion.
Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash.
It might rain on us.
Yeah.
Yeah! It might rain.
Talk to the next there.
Ah, gosh. There's some people float. Everybody join.
Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash. You got it.
Raymion, watch.
Raymion can't swim better than Raymion.
Sand all
I'm
over
gonna
the
let,
diaper.
I gotta stand up and get a hold of this.
There's a bunch of sand in his diaper. Not
Raymion is a big boy, not rearing in a diaper today.
Yeah, well, I was, but now I'm floating. Oh, hell, wipe off the camera.
There's Raymion right there having a good time. Woo! Raymion, you having a good time. Woo! Look at, woo! Look at Raymion over there. Why? Look at Raymion, he's swimming and he's going so fast. How am I? Look at Raymion. Big swimmer. I should have said I'm a big swimmer. Raymion, you having a good time? Are you having a good time, Raymion?
Like one.
Woo! Raymion, what is Daddy doing? So yes, people, we are having a good day. Seems like it's about to rain though. Woo!
Keep going up a number.
Hold it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh. Run! Dark.
Alright guys, they forced me to go into the water.
Guys, look who says he's not going in the water.
They forced me.
Look who says he said that he's not going in the water. Raymion, you want? So Raymion and Damien is going to make a sand castle. Let's see if they can do it. Let's see. Let's see if Damien can make sand castle. Damien, you can make sand castle. Raymion want everything for himself.
Go inside. Inside here.
Raymion, let's see if you can make the sand castle. Damien, you know how to make sand castle? Right guys, so let's see if they can make the sand castle. Guys, let's see if Damien know what he's doing.
I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know.
You don't? Raymion, hello? Raymion is doing his own thing. That's not our sandcastle he's making. Uh-oh. No, Damien. Sand soft, man. What is that?
Huh?
What kind of sandcastle is that? Huh? Raymion. Woo! It's raining, guys. Rain is coming down.
Alright, come on. That's enough. Come on. Come, Raymion, come.
William, load up the dump truck.
I made a scary noise.
Dump truck.
Pull it up.
Load it up, Raymion. Sandman. Did you have a good time, Raymion? You go like what?
Yeah. We try and carry out the things them go. We left them in the car. Walk with them, go down and come back.
Oh, put on with clothes.
Yeah. Walk with them, go down. Alright guys, so you can see we have on with clothes right now, you know. So you must know what that means.
Change out of our swimwear.
Yeah.
Ready to go home now. It was a good day. Now it's time to go home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah, man.
Don't forget to
like, share,
comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend.
We are out.